What if I told you one woman had $150,000 in debt? Her name is Ariana. Every morning she woke up and pretended the debt didn't exist. She didn't open her statements, she didn't check her balance, and somehow kept spending. Until the day Dr. Bucks showed up. My name is Dr. Bucks. Today we are going to do something most people never do. We are going to face the debt, build a plan, and show you how Ariana got out. Stick around. This will change how you think about money forever. Before we talk solutions, we need to understand the problem. Debt is a psychology problem that looks like a math problem. Write that down, because everything builds on that one idea. Ariana grew up hearing, "We deserve this." That sentence got filed into her brain before she understood what money was. A money script is the belief about money you carry from childhood. Every time Ariana felt stressed, her brain fired. And out came the credit card. Stressed spend. Happy spend. Bored spend. 3 emotions. 1 outcome. This is called the dopamine loop. Then the guilt arrives, and the loop repeats. Her brain was doing exactly what it was trained to do. Now we retrain it. Here is the step most people skip. They avoid the number, because seeing it feels like losing. The number does not get smaller because you are not looking at it. It gets bigger. He put a blank piece of paper in front of Ariana and said, "Write them all down." The moment she wrote it down, something happened. 9 envelopes, 9 monsters, and 9 times the monster got smaller. The total was $148,000. Written down, completely visible for the first time. She felt her legs go weak. But Dr. Bucks didn't panic. This number is not your enemy. It is your starting point. You cannot GPS your way to a destination without knowing where you are. We need a strategy, not random payments, a real tested strategy. Weapon 1, the debt snowball. Line them up smallest to largest. Every extra dollar onto the smallest first. The snowball grows bigger every time, faster every time. It gives you wins fast. And when you are in debt, a win is medicine. Math lives in your head. Motivation lives in your heart. The snowball feeds both. Weapon 2, the debt avalanche. You care about the highest interest rate. Every day you don't attack high-interest debt, it drains your future. Snowball if you need wins. Avalanche if you want to save maximum money. The best method is the one you will actually stick to. Snowball or avalanche? Comment below right now. We use a rule that has been around for decades. 50 to needs, 30 to wants, 20 to savings and debt. That 20% is the first thing that leaves your account, before anything else. When Dr. Bucks looked at Ariana's actual spending, her pie looked nothing like this. We had a lot of work to do. This is the 5-bucket method. Every dollar that comes in gets sorted into one of these 5 buckets before you spend anything. When the buckets are full, you know exactly what you have left. No guessing. Money you never assign a job disappears. Every time. Having a plan on paper is easy. The real challenge is life. You do not rely on willpower. You use tools. And we have 3. Tool 1, the Purchase Justification Machine. Is this a need? If yes, buy it. No debate. Is this a want? Wait 48 hours. If you still want it, maybe it is real. Is this a like? Put it back. Walk away. The moment your salary hits before you touch it, the robot moves the money. Money you never saw, you never spend. Every extra dollar outside your salary goes straight to debt. This is how people go from 12 months to 7 months. 12 months. Real life. Real setbacks. Real wins. Month 1. Building the system. The habit. The foundation. Month 2. First credit card gone. Month 4. The car broke down. She almost reached for the credit card. This is why the emergency fund is non-negotiable. Month 6. 3 cards crossed off. Something subtle was changing. Month 9. She missed a payment. She called Dr. Bucks feeling like she had failed. 1 missed payment does not erase 8 months of work. Start again tomorrow. Month 12. 4 cards gone. The monster was now knee height. Let us put everything in one place. The complete formula. 10 steps. That is the entire system. Consistent. This is Ariana. Day 1 versus month 12. One last thing before you go. If you have debt and it feels like there is no way out, I need you to hear this. The debt is not the problem. The debt is the symptom. Nobody taught you this in school. You figured it out the hard way. But now you know. Next episode tease. $1.6 million earned. How? Subscribe. Tease's story is going to make you angry.